Hello friends, welcome back to Chinese 101. Let's continue with the Píng studies. So after today's lesson, we are almost covered all the Píng consonants. So today we are going to learn 3 more consonants and also 3 pre-nasal vowels. So let's put down this matrix here. The 3 consonants are z, c, and s. So they are very similar to the compound consonants we learned last time with a little h behind it, which is zh, ch, and sh. When you curl your tongue, if you have the h behind it. But for this 3 ones, we have a flat tongue like z, c, s. The 3 pre-nasal vowels are an, and wen. Z an zan, z en zhen, z wen zun. The second row, c an can, c en cen, c wen cun. The third row is c an san, c en san, c wen sun. Okay, let's add the tones. For the first one, we put 4th tone, zan. So this character means you give somebody a thumbs up or a like. The second one, we put zan. This character is in the word 怎样 or 怎么, which means how. The third one, 尊. So this character means respect, 尊敬. The second row, first one, 参. This character, if it combines with 参加, which means participate. Second one, 层. Which means a small mountain, which is a tall, small mountain. The third one, 村, which means village. The third row, first one, 三. This is the number 3. So as you can see, 3 horizontal strokes. The second word, 森, which means forest. As you can see, there are 3 wood stacked together. The last word is 孙, which means grandchild, or it's somebody's family name. So after today's lesson, we only have 2 consonants left, and also we will cover 2 other pre-nasal vowels and 4 post-nasal vowels next time. And there's also some combinations of single vowels with the pre-nasal vowels or post-nasal vowels. So we will touch on those topics in later videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!